In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up welcome messages on Patreon. By the end, you'll have a clear, friendly greeting ready for every new supporter, so they know exactly what they've unlocked and where to find it. First, head to your creator profile and click Dashboard in the left sidebar. This is your control center for everything related to your page. Once you're on the Home tab, look for the three dots next to the Edit Page button. Click that menu and select Page Details. This takes you behind the scenes to the settings area where your welcome note lives. At the top, choose the Welcome Notes tab. Think of this as your first impression for new patrons. It's where you set expectations, share links, and make people feel appreciated the moment they join. You'll start by choosing the type of welcome note you want. If your perks are largely the same across levels, pick the option to use the same message for each tier. It keeps things simple and ensures everyone sees the same instructions and links. If your tiers offer different perks or access, select the option to customize for each tier. This is great for sharing tier-specific onboarding, like a unique download folder for one level and early access instructions for another. Now craft your message. Begin with a genuine thank you so supporters feel acknowledged right away. Follow that with a quick summary of what they now have access to, and include direct links to important resources, like your Discord community or a content library. Keep the tone warm and clear, and use short paragraphs so it's easy to skim. Avoid adding personal contact details or anything sensitive. Stick to shareable links and concise guidance. A helpful format is a brief welcome, a short start here section, and then key links. If you're customizing per tier, tailor the summary and links to the exact perks for that level so new patrons don't have to guess where to go. If you want to make it more personal, add a welcome video. You can embed your own clip and it will appear above the text. Aim for something friendly and concise that reaffirms what they've unlocked and points them to those same links. Captions are a plus for accessibility. When you're happy with everything, click Save Changes. Then use the View Current Welcome Note link to preview exactly how it appears to new patrons. Test your links, proofread for clarity, and you're done. Revisit this note anytime your perks evolve so it always reflects your best, most up-to-date onboarding.